Kturtle video, we'll try to learn about function. So how to use a function, what is the syntax. So in Kturtle, if you want to define a function, you have to use the keyword called as learn and give the function name you want. So here I have defined three functions, cat, Steve and ant. In each function we have forwarding 20 and printing the name, that's all. So how to call is, this in the main function you have to call, and so the first ant will print, then cat will print, then Steve will print. Then I am doing a pen up. If you don't do a pen up, it will draw a line. In line number 22, 23, 24, it will actually draw a line, but here it will not draw a line. You can see this execution. So as we see, the first whatever we are calling, it will print, then cat, then Steve. Then pen up, it prints Steve, cat and ant. And then I am hiding the printf. So this is very simple, easy. If you learn how to use a function, you can write the program very easily. You need not repeat it. Thank you.